Hey y'all, my name is Courtney Taylor, and I'm the founder of the Tngrk Lab and the creator of the Necessary Marketer. It is our mission to make sure that these subscription startups are going to stay funded and grow as big as possible. So, if you are a pre-seed to Series A subscription startup and you're not continuously showing strong usage and stable retention, like right now, I need you to know that you are at a real risk of being pushed out of the funding cycle until spring because startup investors, they pull back in December and January. And this is even if you've already proven product market fit and attracted a healthy subscriber base, because any plateau or dip, especially repeated plateau or dip, in those signals that prove scalable and adaptable growth will give your funders pause. Insufficient funding can lead to declining subscriber activity and a slower response to competitive pressures and market shifts. It makes it harder to maintain or regain momentum altogether. And that's why purchasing the Necessary Growth Recovery Kit is the best next step for subscription startup founders. This is not a marketing 101 system. It's not even a go-to-market playbook. It's for the founders that have already done the work and they already have some strong wins, a great team, and a well-executed go-to-market plan. But things have been declining or have stalled. And so they need to find those hidden leaks that their dashboards aren't revealing. This is also for founders that need to go beyond the go-to-market playbooks that they've already deployed that assume stable buyer behavior. They need to rebuild their growth system so that they're able to flex with shifting market conditions. And ultimately, this is so subscription startup founders can present credible recovery plans to their investors and stay in their pipeline. This is a self-paced system, so it requires work. But if you're willing to work, we recommend you purchasing this $250 system before you bring on expensive consultants, more headcount, or purchase more AI tools. This system will help you to gain the clarity around how to drive greater ROI and pinpoint the strategy that you need to move forward with that an additional consultant, headcount, or AI system can help you to deploy. You can purchase it at the link below or at thetngrklab.com.